Hello everyone. Today I am going to present IXC Activity 1 of Solid Mechanics based on shear testing of rivets, joints in aircraft fuselage, ensuring integrity. So, the critical role of rivet joints in aircraft structure. So, Rivet joints are not just connectors. They are load-bearing elements that ensure continuity, distribute stresses and provide safety against fatigue and damage, making them essential in aerospace. And another we can say rivet joints are fundamental to aircraft construction, providing lightweight yet robust connection between fuselage panels and structure components. Their widespread use demand rigorous testing of guarantee safety and performance. Now, primary load bearing elements. Primary load bearing elements are nothing but they are due to this stress and all the things are developed. And another one is critical for structural continuity and another one is impact fatigue and damage tolerance. Now, understanding shear stress and joint failure mechanism. Shear stress defined force applied parallel to a surface causing internal deformation and potential for material separation. And failure modes, rivet joints can fail through rivet shears which develop due to air, and after that bearing failure of the plates or neck section tension failure of the plates. Now factor influencing failures, material properties, rivets diameters, plate thickness and joint geometry all play a crucial role in predicting failures. Now standard testing methodology, fixture design and load application. Shear testing involves applying control forces to replicate in flights condition using specialized fixtures to isolate the shear load on the joint. Fixture design. Fixture is design nothing but is a proper alignment distribution of rivets. And load applications. Load application is nothing but uniaxial tensile testing machine apply increasing loads until joint failure occurs. This machine first tests the rivets. This is used for testing purpose of rivets by applying loads until it fails. Now, graph for shear strength discrimination. The graph shows how much loads the rivets can take before falling. At first, the load increasing steadily with little displacement. It after reaches its maximum strength. After that, the joints start to weaken and can no longer take additional load. Now factor influencing shear test results, that is material, geometry of rivets and defect during it making. Material properties. Now factor depend on material properties is alloy types, heating treatments and thickness of both the sheets and rivets significantly affect joint strength and deformation. Based on joint geometry, rivet spacing edges, distance and the number of rivets rows are optimized to distribute stress and prevent premature failures. Defect during manufacturing, improper riveting, fatigue cracks or corrosion can drastically reduce a joint's shear strength and lead to catastrophic failures. Now, case study and real-world implication for aircraft design. Real-world incidents often reveal the complex interplay of factors affecting joint integrity. Understanding this failure informs safer, more resilient aircraft design. Fatigue life. Repeated loading cycle in flight can cause micro cracks, emphasizing the need for fatigue resistance joint. This is developed due to continuous flow of air on revent because its shapes make for aircraft its shapes are made to aerodynamics air can flow through it. Due to this, some damages can take place. Damage tolerance. Design must ensure that a single failure does not lead to catastrophic structural collapse, relying on redundancies. Means that due to a single failure, it does not cause whole structure to collapse. Maintenance insights. Testing guides, inception protocols and repair strategies are in service aircraft, ensuring continuous airworthiness. Now conclusion. Advancement and future direction in joints testing. Shear testing remains a cornerstone of aircraft structural validation. Ongoing advancement promise even greater precision and efficiencies. Now today's lots of technologies are came. So for advancement to make it greater precision and efficiency are going on. Based on improved material, development of stronger lighter alloy and composite that enhance joint performance. Another one is advanced simulations. Finite element analysis model predicts joints behavior under various load. Another one is NDT, means non-destructive testing. Technique like ultrasonic and eddy current testing allow for in situ joint assessment without damages. Smart sensors. Integration of sensor into joints for real-time monitoring of stress, joint assessment without damage. Rivets are permanent attachment and due to its low weights, it has wide application in aircraft. So the future of aviation safety hinges on our continuous innovations in structural testing and design.